everyone, I am Samidha Hegde. I am interning with LEXIS and Company. I am a third year law student studying in Ramaya College of Law, Bangalore. Today I am going to be explaining you about trust under Indian Trusts Act 1882. Trust is defined under Section 3 of the Indian Trusts Act 1882. Now let's understand what is trust with an example. Let's say there is one person who is old and he has a grandson. His grandson is a minor, so he wants to give some property to this minor for his benefit. But since he is a minor, what he'll do is he'll entrust the property to some other person in whom he has confidence, that to take care of the property and to make sure that any benefits or income out of that property is secured and kept for the benefit of the minor until he attains the age of majority. Now you can create trust for the benefit of any person or a group of people. So the person who transfers the property is called author of the trust, and the person who accepts the confidence and agrees to handle and manage the property is called the trustee, and the person for whose benefit this trust is created is called the beneficiary. So there are three parties: author of the trust, trustee, and beneficiary. Now this agreement or this instrument that results from this arrangement is called a trust deed. Now trust must be created for lawful purposes only. It cannot be created for any unlawful purposes. As per Section 4, it is given that it should not be created for any purpose that is forbidden by law, or for such act which, if permitted, which will defeat the provisions of law, or for the purpose of fraud or something fraudulent. It cannot be created for something fraudulent, or it cannot be created to harm or cause injury to any person, or it should not be against public policies. It should not be against public policies. Other than that, for all lawful purposes, trust can be created. And private trusts are governed by Indian Trust Act 1882, and public trusts mainly include charitable and religious trusts, and there are various acts which govern it, and also there can be different legislations passed in different states with regards to that. Now trusts are created for for some reasons, like the reasons could be for public benefit, or for charity purposes in religious or any charitable organizations. Sometimes trusts are also created for to avail tax exemptions, like sometimes there are some charitable organizations, and if you create trust for such charitable organizations, you can avail tax benefits. So some people even do for that purposes, or for the well-being of your family members you can create trusts, or even to manage property. Let's say you have some property that you are unable to manage by yourself, then you can create trust even for that purposes. So yeah, that's about it. And trust must be created. This trust agreement must be entered into by persons who are competent to contract, and if a minor wants to create trust, then they can do so, but through some other person. So I guess you have understood what is trust, and briefly you have understood what is the purpose of trust and everything. So I hope you liked today's video. I have done few other videos previously. Do check them out, and please like, share, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button for more updates.